super flat niya pag freeze. Can you see? Super duper flat. As in. Hey guys, we just finished our evening pump. It's currently 7 p.m. So, let's do our pump and pour. We just got back from the Imani meeting and I'm so happy to chika with Miss Karen. She's so fun and to hear all her wisdom as a mom of 4 from different age brackets. Oh my gosh, amazing. So this is from our left side. I think we got about 5 ounces from our left side. And I really need to pee, so I will pause for a while after this. This is from our right side. Wait, ilan ba to? From our right side, we got about 4 ounces, I think. Wait lang guys. BRB. Okay, so we're back guys. I'm using my OWL milk bags and let's see how many ounces we got. Wait, binaw na pala. So I will just put it in individual milk bags. So usually, if it fits naman in one milk bag, I will just use one whenever I'm traveling para tipid. But since this is more than 10 ounces, I'm just gonna use 2. Separate na lang sila. One side, so we got 4 ounces. Advantage guys, if you put 4 ounces in an 8-ounce milk bag, super flat niya pag freeze. Can you see? Super duper flat. As in. Pero ang disadvantage naman guys, if you only put 4 ounces, super bilis niya ma-defrost. So, in case, like, mag-brown out or something, I feel like mabilis siya mag-defrost. So, I prefer to freeze my milk above 4 ounces. Usually, I pack my milk in 6 ounces. That's the perfect number since my baby drinks 6 ounces also. Pero if your baby drinks 4 ounces, what I can suggest is pack it in 8 ounces per milk bag. Mas tipid na sa milk bag. Tapos, ang gawin mo, i-divide mo siya into milk bottles. But don't run it sa running water sa faucet. What you will do is just mash it. Yung ice pa, yun lagay mo sa milk bottle. Tapos sa milk bottle na siya mag-defrost. That's how I do it. If you want me to do it like, i-show ko sa inyo actual, para mas ma-understand pa ng everybody, I can do it. Just comment down below if you want me to make a separate video for it. Kasi parang, yung last video ko nun, just months ago, super long time ago, and we've grown a lot since then. So, baka may mga bago tayong mommies na hindi pa nila alam paano ko ginagawa, or curious sila paano ko dinidefrost yung frozen breast milk ko whenever I'm out. Yeah. So, this is 5 ounces from our other side. And to remove the air bubbles, just simply squeeze until the very end. And then clip, clip, clip. Tingnan nyo guys, mas mataba to siya. Kasi 5 ounces siya. Compared to this one, super nipis as in. Ano mo? Compare natin side by side. So, for me, yung 6 ounces, perfect siya ng thickness. Hindi siya super thick. Hindi din siya super nipis. Perfect. Yeah, so we got 9 ounces for our evening pump.